Let me show you how we can enter and exit the safe mode on OPPO Reno 15. So in order to go to the safe mode, first we need to turn off our phone. So I'm gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time in order to open the power menu. Now once we open the power menu, we have to just swipe down over here to shut down the phone. And we need to wait for the phone to completely turn off. Once that happens, you will have to turn it back on. But once you feel like a little vibration, or once you see the OPPO logo, then you can press and hold volume down after counting to 8. So you will have to count to 8 and then press and hold volume down. By the way, you can tell that the phone completely shuts down if you feel like a vibration. Usually it happens after a couple of seconds. So we're gonna turn on the phone now, and then we're gonna count to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we're gonna press and hold volume down. And just keep holding this volume down button all the time until the phone turns on. And there we go. As you can see here in the bottom left corner, we are in the safe mode. Now let's unlock the phone. And if you want to exit the safe mode, what you need to do is you need to simply restart your phone. So once again, we're gonna use power and volume up to open the power menu, and then we can slide up to restart option in order to reboot our phone. And then once it turns on, it's gonna be back into the normal mode. Leave a like and subscribe.